Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Question Bank. Today I am going to show you social subject 9th class English medium chapter number 16 question answers. You can see here, now let's see in test book how many questions are there in this 16 chapter and chapter name you can see here, and page number is 204 204 you can see here. You can see here chapter name, chapter number 16 you can see here chapter name. Now let's see how many questions are there in this chapter. Today I am going to show you keywords. You can see here keywords important your learning project work. Today I am going to show you this all questions answer. Okay guys, you can see here keywords we have total 10. You can see here total we have 10, and important your learning we have total 11, and project work we have 2. Today I am going to show you this all questions the answer. Okay guys, today we have here social question bank. You can see here. Okay guys, now we'll start keywords with. You can see here chapter name. Now we'll see first keywords. You can see here keywords, and you can see here in textbook also we have same keywords or same keywords. You can see here first in textbook you can see here all 10 keywords we have same in my question bank keywords meaning. You can see here. Main points. Okay guys, now we'll see main points. You can see here main points. If you want to write in your notes main points, you can write from here, and link in the description for the all these question answers photos like keywords, mind mapping, main points, and important your learning project work. That all bit question answers photos we have first link. We have photos first link in this video description. Go and check out from there. Now we'll see mind mapping. You can see here we have two mind mapping. First you can see here up to here we have first mind mapping, and second we have up to here, and link in the description for this also. First link we have, go and check out from there. Now we'll turn page and see what is the next. You can see here we have total 3 mind mappings. Next one you can see here we have 3 mind mappings. Sorry, I told you 2 only. We have total 3 mind mappings. I didn't see that. I see now only. Okay guys, you can see here important your learning activity part A. You can see here. Now we'll see in textbook first question. You can see here in textbook first question. Now we'll see first question answer in question bank. You can see here first question answer in my question bank, and link in the description for this all question answers photos we have. Firstly, go and check out from there. Don't forget to see photos also, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on bell icon for when I will upload video you will get notification. I am uploading all. I am uploaded first chapter, second, like that we upload. I am uploaded up to 13th chapter in social. I'm I'm uploading all videos like 9th class all subject videos. Please check out my channel and search in my channel. You will get question answers photos, all question answers photos. Okay, so now we'll go to second question. You can see here second question in my. You can see here in textbook second question. Now we'll see second question answer in question bank. Okay, as you can see here, check out my channel. You will get all question answers photos 9th class photos on videos. You will get all videos 9th class questions answers video you will get, and link in the description for this question answers photos also. Yeah, I'm uploading photos also. First link we have, go and check out from there. Okay, so I'll go to third question. You can see here in my textbook third question. Now we'll see third question answer in question bank. Okay, as you can see here third question in my question bank. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to turn on bell icon. Turn on bell icon all. You will get notification when you will when I will upload video. Okay, so I will see fourth question. You can see here fourth question in textbook. I will see fourth question answer in question bank. Okay guys, now we'll go to fifth question. You can see here in fifth question textbook. You can see here fifth question answer in question bank. Now we'll go to sixth question. You can see here sixth question and in my textbook. Now see sixth question answer in my question bank. You can see here sixth question answer in question bank. I will go to seventh question. You can see here in textbook. You can see seventh question answer. Seventh question you can see here in textbook. I will see seventh question answer in question bank. I will go to eighth question. You can see here in textbook eighth question. Now you can see here eighth question, and I will see eighth question answer in question bank. And link in the description for these all question answers photos. Go and check out from there. I am uploading all from first chapter from all. I am uploading in all subjects like English, Hindi, Telugu, biology, physical science. I am uploading all subject question answers. You can go and check out from there in my channel. Please check out. You will get all subject question answers. And I will go to ninth question. You can see here. You can see in my textbook ninth question. I will see ninth question answer in question bank. Okay, so I will turn page, and you can see here we have ninth question answer. We have here Indian map. You can see here point out map like that. Shall I zoom in? Okay guys, I'll zoom in. You can see here the points. Okay guys, I'm now zoom outing. Okay. Okay guys, I will go to 10th question. You can see here in my textbook 10th question. I will see 10th question answer in question bank. You can see here we have here also Indian map. You can see what you want to find out. You can see here up we have down we have the find outs. Okay guys, now we'll go to 11th question. You can see here in my textbook. Last question you can see here in my textbook 11th question. I will see 11th question answer in question bank. Okay guys, I will see project work. You can see here in my textbook project work question. You can see here in my textbook project work question. First question you can see here, and I will see first question answer in question bank. You can see here for project work first question answer we have, and we have some down and up and next page. Up to here we have that and up page. Up to here project work concept we have, and link in the description for this project work question answers photos also we have. two project work questions we have in textbook and answers we have in question bank. Okay, so now we'll see second question project work. You can see here second question project work. Now we'll see second question project work answer in question bank. Now we'll turn page and you can see here. Okay, so now we'll see. Now we'll move to next. You can see here questions given in this lesson. Concept understanding. You can see here these questions also I am going to show you. You can see here we have total here. We have total 11 questions. I think 11 questions we have. I am showing these questions also. 11 total 11 questions I am showing you. And link in the description for these questions photos also. Please check out the clear photos we have in description link. You can see here for the question. Now we'll go up. You can see here we have your fifth question. Now we'll go to sixth question. And I will go to seventh question. You can see here. Okay, so I will turn page. And you can see here we have your eighth question. You can see here in question bank. In question bank, you can see here eighth question. Now we go to ninth question. You can see our ninth question. Now we'll go to 10th question. You can see your 10th question in my question bank. Okay, so I'll go to 11th question and you can see your 11th question answer. And we have your page numbers also. You can check out from there also if you want. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, if you like this video, please like yeah. I am share, comment, share with your friends. And thanks for watching my video. Please check out my channel if you want any other chapter question answers. Please check out my channel and any other subject also. Check out my channel. You will get all questions and answers. Thanks for watching my video.